See, let us start with extraction of aluminium. Now, before starting the extraction of aluminium, there are three ores of aluminium. You have one is bauxite ore. Its formula is Al2O3.2H2O. The second is cryolite, Na3AlF6. It is along with a halogen. Okay. Then you have corundum, that is Al2O3. This is the oxide form. This is the halide form. Okay. Are you getting? And this is along with water. Okay. Now, out of these three ores, only we can extract bauxite very easily. Okay. Out of the three ores, extraction of bauxite is very easy and very cheap method. So, from bauxite we can extract what? Aluminium. अब और जो है वो कंबाइंड फॉर्म में है. Here you can see Al2O3.2H2O दिया हुआ है. This is it present in the combined form. Okay, it is not present in the pure or the pure metallic state. So we want pure metal of aluminium. हमको क्या करना है? मेटल को एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है पूरी तरह से. अब तुमने उसको अर्थ के क्रस्ट से तो निकाल लिया है, लेकिन उसको प्यूरिफाई करके उसको प्योर फॉर्म में लाना है. यू हैव टू ब्रिंग दिस इन द प्योर फॉर्म. सो वी हैव वेरियस प्रोसेस टू कन्वर्ट दिस ओर्स इनटू देयर प्योर फॉर्म. इफ दोज प्रोसेस are cheap and easier, okay, so hence the metal is cheaply available. Whereas if this process is very costlier, then the metal available to us is what? Very costly, like gold, platinum. Okay, ये सब costly है. क्यों है? Because their extraction process is also what? Costly. Are you getting, everyone? Okay, so these three ores can be extracted from the earth's crust. Out of these three, bauxite is very easily extracted. Okay. Now the first process of extraction is your Bayer's process, what we have to study here. So extraction of aluminium we will study using Bayer's process. Okay, this is known as what? Bayer's process. So I have already given you the flow chart for the extraction process. और को क्या करना है? पहले क्रश एंड ग्राइंड करना है ना? क्रश करके ग्राइंड करना है. ग्राइंडिंग के बाद हम उसको क्या करेंगे? कॉन्सेंट्रेट करेंगे. ओके, आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन वन फ्लो चार्ट दैट यू हैव ओर, यू विल क्रश द ओर, देन यू विल कॉन्सेंट्रेट द ओर. ओके, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन में वी हैव 4 मेथड्स, मैग्नेटिक सेपरेशन, फ्रॉस्ट फ्लोटेशन और वो सारे मेथड्स हैं. Okay, now further after concentration we will reduce the ore. There is reduction method, and then we will purify the metal. Now here concentration of the ore में I have already explained, इतना ही बताया था कि there are 4 methods. One is magnetic separation, hydraulic washing, froth flotation, and then you have chemical method, and that chemical method is known as your leaching process. That chemical method is your leaching process. अब हमको directly we are studying the extraction of aluminium. So here what we will do? Take the ore, crush and grind the ore, then concentrate the ore. अब ये चारों जो method है, these 4 methods which are available, which method we will prefer for the metal? We will actually prefer that method which is सूटिंग दैट मेटल. सपोज अगर वो मेटल आयरन होता तो मैं कौन सा वाला मेथड अप्लाई करती? मैग्नेटिक सेपरेशन मेथड से उसको सेपरेट करती. ओके, नाउ हियर वी विल अप्लाई केमिकल मेथड, दैट इज लीचिंग प्रोसेस. दिस इज नोन एज व्हाट? लीचिंग प्रोसेस. इन हायर क्लास वी विल स्टडी दिस प्रॉपर्ली. सो हियर इन लीचिंग प्रोसेस यूजुअली वी यूज कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड alkali. व्हाट वी आर यूजिंग हियर इज concentrated alkali. Now you have 2 types of alkali, na? NaOH or KOH. Okay, you can use them. So usually we prefer here sodium hydroxide. Now what is the step? The first step in the extraction of aluminium, okay, using Bayer's process, as we are studying here, Bayer's process. Now the first step is we will convert the bauxite ore. This is bauxite ore, yes or no?
Yes.
है ना? this bauxite will be converted into sodium aluminate. This is what? Sodium aluminate. This is the first step. Conversion. What is the first step? Conversion of bauxite to sodium aluminate. Okay, conversion of bauxite to sodium aluminate is the first step. Now in this, the equation is Al2O3.2H2O plus alkali 2NaOH at 150 to 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, this reaction will take place and sodium aluminate will be formed along with water. Are you getting? Okay, now in this, first thing what you need to remember, aluminium का जो oxide form है, aluminium का oxide form, that is Al2O3, is amphoteric in nature. It is what? Amphoteric in nature. What do you mean by amphoteric? Amphoteric are those metals which will react with both acid also as well as alkali also. ठीक है, amphoteric means what? Those metals or those oxide form which can react with alkali as well as acid. So we have three such oxide form: zinc oxide, lead oxide and aluminium oxide. These three are amphoteric in nature. ठीक है, so they can react with both acid as well as base. So here we are treating it with base, है ना? This is a base. Sodium hydroxide is a base or it is a alkali. Okay, so this is actually leaching method only. Leaching process में हम concentrated alkali ही use करते हैं. So Bayer's process का first step is conversion of bauxite to sodium aluminate. What is the temperature here? The temperature is 150 to 200 degrees Celsius. If you do not write the condition, you will not get marks. Okay. Then the next step. In this step, what we are doing is sodium aluminate. Sodium aluminate is treated with water again. Okay. At 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, it will form what? Sodium hydroxide and aluminium hydroxide. तो aluminium hydroxide का हमको यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा? Precipitate. White PPT of aluminium hydroxide will be formed. Are you getting? Yes. In the second step, what we will get here is aluminium का hydroxide form. It is in the form of precipitate. Now in the second step, see here, NaOH is again formed here, na? So this will be used in the first step again. Are you getting? जो NaOH हमने फर्स्ट यूज किया था वो हमको सेकेंड स्टेप में क्या हो रहा है? रीजेनरेट हो जा रहा है एंड दैट अगेन NaOH वी कैन यूज इट इन द सेम प्रोसेस. सो इट इज व्हाट? लाइक अ साइकिल. ठीक है. ओके. नाउ हियर इन द थर्ड स्टेप व्हाट वी आर सीइंग हियर इज aluminium hydroxide, a white PPT which is formed here. It is undergoing what? 1100 degrees Celsius तक हम उसको हीट कर रहे हैं. And here what is forming? Oxide, Al2O3.3H2O. Okay, I am just erasing here so that the flow chart is clear to us. See here, actually what we are going to do here is, हमारे पास क्या है? Ore है. Ore हमारा कौन सा है? What is our ore? Bauxite. I have to convert that ore, crush and grind the ore. First step is what? Crush and grind the ore. Okay. After this, we will concentrate the ore using 4 methods. Out of the 4, which one is possible? So I have used what? Chemical method. है ना? Concentration में मैंने क्या किया? उसको chemical method में convert किया. I am using chemical method because I am treating it with a chemical that is a base. Okay. After concentration of the ore, the next process is of reduction. You have to reduce it into its oxide form. So we are converting this ore into oxide form. Yes or no? This ore is what? Al2O3.2H2O, and now I have reduced it into what? Al2O3 form. Oh sorry, I have concentrated it what? Al2O3 form. अब मुझे इसको क्या करना है? रिड्यूस करना है. रिडक्शन क्या होगा? ऑक्साइड को हमको किस में कन्वर्ट करना है? मेटल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है। रिडक्शन मीन्स व्हाट, वी विल कन्वर्ट ऑक्साइड टू द मेटल। देखो फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या है, ओर है, क्रश ग्राइंड, देन यू कॉन्सेंट्रेट द ओर एंड ब्रिंग इट टू इट्स दिस ग्राइंड ऑक्साइड फॉर्म। देन द नेक्स्ट थर्ड स्टेप इज ऑक्साइड को मेटल में कन्वर्ट करना है। ओके, तो हम ये सेकेंड स्टेप तो आ गए हैं, yes or no? We have concentrated using chemical method. हमने कौन सा मेथड अप्लाई किया था? That fourth method, chemical method, that is leaching. This is known as what? Bayer's process. Now in this process there are three steps that we have to remember. So the first step is conversion of bauxite to sodium aluminate, 150 to 200 degrees Celsius. Second step is conversion of sodium aluminate to एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड। यहाँ पे जो हमको ये जो व्हाइट पीपीटी मिला है, एक प्रेसिपिटेट मिला है ना एल्यूमिनियम का, दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज सीडिंग। इसको क्या बोलते हैं, जहाँ पे हमको ये जो मिला है प्रेसिपिटेट मिला है, वो हमको क्या मिला है, एक सीड की तरह। इट इज नोन एज व्हाट, सीडिंग प्रोसेस। ओके, दिस इज नोन एज सीडिंग। नाउ हियर थर्ड स्टेप इज एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड को यू विल हीट इट अबाउट 1100 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू रिमूव द molecules of water from it. Okay, so here it will be removed out in the form of vapor. ठीक है, ये वेपर के फॉर्म में निकल जाएगा। ठीक है, और हमारे पास क्या बचा है, Al2O3। This is the Bayer's process. Now we are going to convert or we will reduce the oxide form to its what, metallic form. So you just remember that in activity series of metal we have studied ना, क्या है हमारा, काशीनाथका, माली, आलू जीरे, पीके पकाता है, बिकॉज हियर हाइड्रोजन, हमको ज्यादा नीचे नहीं जाना, वी आर स्टडिंग एल्यूमिनियम हियर, यस और नो। सो इसके नीचे क्या है हमारे पास, कॉपर, मर्क्यूरी, देन वी हैव गोल्ड, सॉरी सिल्वर, देन वी हैव गोल्ड एंड देन वी हैव हियर इज प्लैटिनम। So see here, from potassium to aluminium, their oxide form, इनका जो भी oxide form हो जाएगा, it cannot be reduced by any reducing agent. Their oxide form can be reduced only by electrolysis method. It can be reduced only by electrolysis. Is what? Decomposition of the chemical compound into its ions, yes or no? So we can reduce, I want to reduce this oxide form to the metal form. Electrolysis में क्या होता है, प्योर मेटल जाके क्या होता है, डिपॉजिट करता है, yes or no? Okay, so from potassium till aluminium, these metals can be brought them into their pure form only by electrolysis method. हम यहाँ तक तो केमिकल मेथड से हमने कन्वर्ट कर लिया, वी हैव ब्रॉट इट टू एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड फॉर्म, बट आई वांट टू एक्सट्रैक्ट प्योर मेटल ना, सो व्हाट प्रोसेस आई विल अंडरगो नाउ, फर्दर रिडक्शन। नाउ व्हाट टाइप ऑफ रिडक्शन विल बी डन, इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक रिडक्शन विल बी डन। व्हाट इट विल बी फॉलोइंग, इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक रिडक्शन। वेयरएज जिंक, आयरन एंड लेड कैन बी रिड्यूस्ड बाय कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, can be reduced by carbon dioxide, can be reduced by hydrogen. These three reducing agents can be used to reduce their oxide form. Are you getting? I am just giving you example here, just to see. See what I am saying is zinc, iron and lead can be reduced, yes or no? Their reduction can be done by carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide as well as hydrogen. These are what, reducing agents from which we can reduce. Suppose we have done electrolysis, I have got this form into oxide form, इसका भी मुझे ऑक्साइड मिला है और इसका भी ऑक्साइड, तीनों मेटल का ऑक्साइड फॉर्म है। आई हैव टू ब्रिंग इट टू इट्स प्योर मेटालिक फॉर्म। मुझे इसके लिए इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस प्रोसेस नहीं करना है, आई विल नॉट गो थ्रू इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस प्रोसेस, सिंपली आई कैन रिड्यूस यूजिंग दिस रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट। सी इफ आई यूज कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, व्हाट इट विल गिव मी, zinc plus CO2, yes or no? Yes. Here I am using what, say I am again using carbon monoxide, it will give me what, Fe plus CO2. Again carbon monoxide, what it will give me, lead plus CO2 है ना, reducing agent.
Yes.
Okay, see here, if I use hydrogen, then
H2O.
zinc plus
H2O.
again hydrogen, iron plus H2O. Here also H2, then what lead plus H2O है ना, reduce हो गया ना, ऑक्साइड से सीधा मेटल में reduce हो गया. Are you getting? And these metals which are placed below hydrogen, see these are two noble metals, they will not react with anyone. Their oxide form can be simply converted into their metallic form by simply heating. सिंपल हीटिंग मेथड से वो क्या हो जाएंगे, डिकम्पोज हो जाएंगे किसमें, अपने मेटालिक फॉर्म. आर यू गेटिंग? देयर ऑक्साइड फॉर्म कैन बी कन्वर्टेड ओनली बाय हीटिंग, दे डोंट रिक्वायर एनी एजेंट ऑल्सो.
Miss, why the upper ones only need electrolysis?
Because they are highly reactive, and actually the main reason, this is a very good question, because in previous year question paper it was asked why aluminium oxide is being subjected to electrolytic process for the purification. Q, because they have strong their oxide form. Why these oxide form can be converted only to metallic form by electrolysis method? Because they have strong affinity for oxygen. They have strong affinity for oxygen. Are you getting? They have strong affinity for oxygen. Strong affinity means what? Strong attraction for oxygen. Okay. Hence they cannot be reduced by any reducing agent. They need to be subjected to electrolysis process only to reduce into its metallic form. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Are you getting everyone? Because all these metals, they are having strong affinity towards oxygen, hence their oxide form can be converted into metallic form only using electrolytic method. So what we will follow here is electrolytic process. Now further, we have got aluminium from Bayer's process. Yes or no? See here, what is our ore? Our ore is what? Al2O3.2H2O. This is bauxite. Now this bauxite is now concentrated to aluminium oxide form. We have brought it to its oxide form. Yes or no? Now from oxide we want what? Pure metal. Now see here, this process is your Bayer's process. We have subjected it to Bayer's process. Bayer's process से ore से हमने oxide में ले आए हैं. Okay. Now this cannot be reduced by reducing agent because of strong affinity for oxygen. So we will undergo electrolytic reduction. Hence, what will be our process? We will use Hall's-Héroult process. What we are going to use here is Hall's-Héroult process. One more process is there. We have Hoops process also. But according to the syllabus, we are going to study Hall's-Héroult process. Are you getting? Till here it is clear to you?
Yes.
Any doubt in Bayer's process? Because see, this process is there in class 12th also.
Miss, electrolysis over here is only known as Hall's.
The name for that process, electrolytic reduction.
Miss, we cannot write electrolytic reduction.
You can write electrolytic reduction, but who has done that? Who was the scientist? Who has discovered?
This is necessary.
So its name is what? Hall's-Héroult process. Even during the exam, you will not get electrolytic reduction. Sometimes the question says that following is the given Hall's-Héroult process. According to that equation, you write down what is the product at cathode, what is the product at anode, what is the reaction at cathode, reaction at anode. Electrolysis में तो हमको यही पढ़ना है ना? Yes or no? Yes. That is what is electrolysis we have studied ना? So till here it is clear to you? Any doubt?